Ole ole, this is Hellhound Engineering Solutions on how I did a DIY budget project on replacing a single pole light switch. If a switch doesn't work or is faulty and needs to be replaced, this is what I did. I turned the power off at the main breaker panel to the switch, then I removed the faceplate. After removing the faceplate, I unscrewed the switch from the electrical box, being careful while pulling it out not to touch or cross the wires on the switch. Once the wires were exposed, then for safety I used an electrical tester. Now is a good time to take a picture of the switch wiring placements. Then use a screwdriver to remove the existing switch from its attached wires. Some switches are easier than others when it comes to this, especially if they have fast attachments. I love the fast attachments. Just be persistent and the wires will come free. Oh yeah, replacement time. Attaching the new switch is just like removing the old one. The ground wire is usually not a fast attachment, and you might have to finagle it over the green screw. But if the switch has a fast attachment for the other connectors, then ensure that the bare wire part goes in properly between the plate and the screw. Use a screwdriver to securely tighten the wires so that they do not come loose. Put some electrical tape around the switch, covering up the exposed connectors. I do this as a preventive measure. It's getting close to finishing the installation. So far, I haven't even broken a sweat yet. So now it's time to push and screw the single pole light switch back into its electrical housing and reattach the faceplate. Off to the main breaker panel to turn the breaker back on. Success! I saved around $300 to $400 during this DIY project myself, and so can you. Ole ole! If you like this video, then give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.